Alright, this video we're going to keep it really quick, really easy. We're going to talk about your menu and how do we edit that. Right now we have home, services, about us, contact, careers, and you guys want to move careers under about us, and then we want to make a new one, I think file claim. So how do we do that? Really simple. If we log in, we're going to find the appearance section, where I am right now, and then under that section we'll find menus. And then we're going to see over here under is main navigation, and we'll see the actual menu structure. So home, services, about us, contact, and careers. And that's the same structure that we have here. This is easy as drag and drop. So we want to move careers to be below about us, right? So we just drag it up, and then we see that little, see how it kind of indents in, the dashed line moves over to the right. That's how I know it's now going to be a drop down under the about us section. So if I save this, I come back in here and I refresh, and we'll now see that the menu is now shorter because careers is moved and it has moved under the about us section. So we got it right under there, okay? So now what we need to do is we need to add the file claim, which I just recently made. I got to build that page out still, but I made the page, the placeholder for it, so we can still add that to the menu. So what I'll do is I'll go over here and I'll check it. I'll click add to menu. We'll see here it is. Right? I'll save it. And if I come back and refresh, and then there we are. It is now in the menu. So menus are really easy, simple as drag and drop. If you need to remove it or make an edit, you just click the arrow to open that box. And what we can do is we can actually change the name here if we'd like to, and we can actually remove it. You hit remove, it removes it out of the actual menu itself. These things I would stay away from, and I would not mess with this. It's unnecessary at this point. You can actually create more menus. So, for instance, we have, let's say you want to make a sidebar menu to add to a sidebar page. You can come over here and hit create new menu. Whoops, I guess that means I did not save it. Give me a second. Thank you. Okay, so back where I was. To make new menus, you would hit create a new menu and just give it a name right here. Hit create menu and then start dragging and dropping, or excuse me, I should say dragging and dropping, selecting first, adding them to the menu, then you can drag and drop and order them as you want. And then now you've created a new menu if you need to, like I said, if you need to. That's it for menus, really easy.